welcome back to another video. It's me, your girl Brianamccalip, and I'm back with another video. But today's video is going to be none other than your giveaway video. Yes, giveaway. So today we're going to be giving away some bundles. This video is just basically to tell you guys exactly how to enter. So if you want to see how to enter this giveaway, then keep watching.
Ain't nothing to it. Real one. Ain't nothing to it. Boss. Ain't nothing to it. Nothing to it. Real one. Ain't nothing.
Wondering where is this makeup tutorial? I did a live video so that you all can go click that. I probably will leave it right here. It's like a card that I'm so bad with those. If not, then I'll leave it in the description right below. For the giveaway, you definitely have to be subscribed to my channel, y'all. Y'all definitely have to be subscribed to my channel. If y'all not subscribed to this channel, you cannot be entered. This is a Mother's Day giveaway, y'all. So the Mother's Day giveaway, and it's perfect, the perfect time for your mother to have some hair. It probably won't come in time, it'll probably come after. Doesn't matter, just as long as your mama is getting that hair. The thing you have to do is you definitely have to be subscribed to my channel, but you also have to be subscribed to Arabella's YouTube channel. So go ahead and subscribe to them. Everything that I'm saying now will be in the description right below. You have to be following me and also Arabella on Instagram. So I'll definitely will leave their @ in the description right below or somewhere up here. Number 3, you have to click all the links down below and also add one hair texture to the cart. It tells you each texture of Arabella hair, you know, tutorials on it. Just click down there on those links below and then go to their site and add a texture of hair to your cart. You have to write down the number that you like. So for example, favorite option is number such and such, whatever your number is, and then you have to put a comma and put your Instagram name. For the prize, there will be 3 winners, y'all, and strictly for them, if someone wins, this comes from their factory. So when they win, you have to contact me and I'll contact them so that they can send you the hair. So that's how it works. I don't have the hair with me, they do, so that's how it works. First place, you will be winning a 16, 18, and 20 inch, or you can get a wig, which is 22-inch natural color. So for second place, there will be a $30 coupon. So that will be 2 winners for the second place. Third place winner will be getting a $15 coupon, and there will be 5 winners. So it just all goes to first place, second place, third place. But the second place, you have 2 winners, and then the third place, you will have 5 winners for the coupons. I better get y'all commenting on in the comment section below, y'all, because baby, who loves free bundles? You can chop it up. You can do ponytails, baby. I love ponytails. Y'all know I love me some ponytails, so send that free hair over here. May 10th through May 18th. I think that's the dates that they're going to set it for. If you are thinking about purchasing any hair from them, the links will be in the description right below. To coupon codes, anything that you need for some money off some bundles, baby. Who doesn't like that? I do. Y'all comment on, follow every rule that I said, and you might be the winner of Arabella Hair. Then I'll see you guys on the next one, and good luck.